Hey guys, what up? It's Ivan Timberwolf Gamer here. Guys, thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. I can't believe our subscribers are skyrocketing. And okay, so I have a bit of surprise for you guys. It is my own host scale layout, and yeah, I'm gonna show you right now. 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Here's my layout. Here are some cars. I have another car coming on Wednesday. I'm not sure. My dad ordered me it as a surprise. And here's this little fella. I got him like 2 days ago from a model train shop for $55. And we found out that some stuff is stuck on him. We found him on the bottom shelf, like, the guy in the store tested him. It was good, running good. This was about $55, and on Amazon, this was $269. It's like really insane because this has DCC onboard and all the sounds. But here's a circuit board. I think this stores all the sounds, and it was so expensive. Like, it's insane. We got it off just for $55. And it was like it wasn't that really much expensive. Really happy we got this dude. And here's another one. It's EMDF7. And by the way, this is a General Electric a General Electric or a GE 70-ton engine. And you see there's a small General Electric logo on the side. It's really nice. Here's some lights that work. Here's the coupler. Here's another lights, some very fragile guardrails. Danger 600 volts. Fire extinguisher. Even this locomotive has a fire extinguisher. And this I got it off eBay 2 years ago for $69. It's missing a horn because it somehow broke off. And so, I'm just popping bubble wrap. And we got these 2 replacements for it. We're just going to paint them black. They're Wabco Type 2, Wabco Type 2 single chime. So I'm now going to run the locomotive. Wait, guys, I have one last thing to show you guys. This is really cool. I got some crossing gates, $55. I could not connect them to a motor because I didn't really have one. And I'm not sure about how much the motor costs, but I'm thinking of getting one in the future. Well, here it goes. The lights actually work and flash on the signal. Here's I don't know what kind of mechanical bell that is. I'm guessing it's a Safetran, Rayco, or Griswold mechanical bell. Same to that one. I'm not sure. Well, here's a video of the train going through the crossing. Oh, it's reversing. Oops. Here's going through that crossing. Now it's going to go through this crossing. It's going down through that unfinished one. Coming down to this unfinished crossing too. Another unfinished crossing. And back to the crossing. I just see the light on that switcher glows, but it's not so bright. This one has a really bright light. Here's coming down. Oh, shoot, I accidentally stopped it. Give me a moment. Here's coming down, guys. Coming down. Honk, honk. Well, sorry for the blurriness, guys. It's finishing another crossing. And it's going through it's not automatic. I just left the switch on. There's a switch under here. You guys can see it right here. And turn it off. Okay. So anyways, the switcher's going. I'm gonna run the other locomotive. Wait, one last thing. I'm gonna try to switch. Guys, please give me a moment. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be switching into the yard. You guys see? I'm gonna switch right now. Okay, wait, oops. Okay, switch. There. Now let's go back. Back. Connection isn't so good there. It's going through this crossing and through that unfinished crossing, and it stops right there because the connection's not so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Some more updates will be coming on this layout, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.